Hey, welcome back to another tutorial of UX design, creating wireframe for a website. So in this tutorial, we are going to actually learn about navigating through the wireframes, and also we will actually redesign and resize and make some adjustment into our website. First, we will go to our window, and I will zoom in by control, um, scroll up, and I will select all this, and yep, and okay, I hope I will select this as well and readjust them. I think everything is fine now. Oh, okay, you can actually grab the window and like grabbing and pressing through the right and left, I mean moving to the right and left. To do this, press your space bar. If you press your space bar, you can see the hand, and with the mouse left button you can actually move, click, drag and drop. It's something like drag and drop, but you have to keep pressing your space bar to do this. Okay, I want to grab and move through the window, and I want to see if there is anything changes needed. I guess no. So we want our another section, which is block section we want. So to have this section, let's go to my website, and I will not actually design this, but I will design this section where you can see as enter block, and there is a sidebar of the block. Also you can comment, but we will not add the comment, we'll just add this one. And the purpose of this tutorial is to show you guys the navigation between the wireframes. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this, duplicate it, and if I duplicate it, you can see that there are another thing like new mockup one, new mockup one, copy. So I'm gonna first go to the first one, which is this one, and double click, and you can see that I can rename that, so I will name it home. And this one I'm gonna double click again, I will name it block. So currently we are into this one, and since we duplicate the previous one, that's why you can see that this is exactly same like the previous one, but we don't want it to be that like that. We want to change the content over here. So I will grab it, and okay, and right now I will select all of them and delete them. To do this, I'm gonna just select all of them and click on the delete button into your keyboard, and all the contents are gone. Right now we want first the sidebar to be here and the content of the block to be here. I will just take a rectangle, and I will just grab it until here, and into the properties I will change the shape to be something like with radius 5 radius, I guess 5 degree radius. And I will be having the post here, so I will copy this as well, Control C, Control B, and I will readjust it, and I will drag and drop it here. So you can actually adjust the design according to your own wish, but you know that you actually should look for something that suit your own idea and visualization. But it's mine, I'm just teaching you guys how to actually create the wireframe. And right now I'm gonna take the link which I had over here, the link over here. So I'm gonna take that link, so I'm gonna go and click link, and I'm gonna take this link. I'm gonna increase the size of link to 16. I want it to be more bigger because it's not going with the ratio, maybe more bigger. Okay, right now it's better. So I will copy paste the link for 3 times. So every link actually shows the link to the post. So I will say post 1, I will say post 2, I would say post 3. I will select them and readjust, and I will select this rectangle and change the background into something blue, and I think not blue, maybe a bit darker gray. And also this one, select this one and make it to darker, a bit ash color. And I want to have the title, so I will just select the level, drop it here, title of the post. So you guys know that title is bigger, so I'm gonna select the 28 or bigger, 40. And I want to have all those text to be here. So to do this, you can select from block of text from here, and that's it. You just select it, and you can change the size. I want to have 32, and I will readjust the window. I think I want to have more text here, so I will readjust it to 28. I'm copying some text from another window I'm having, and I will select and delete them all, clicking double click and paste it here. So you can see the post here, and I will readjust it. So this is how you actually feel the real experience. So we are having currently two windows, the home, and the another window is this one, the block. So I want to link between those two. To do this, I'm gonna go to the home and select the block and select the link bar, and you can see the link section here, home, products, company, block. You can actually select the block link and click on the link, and you can see the two options there. You can either select home, but if you are selecting home, it would take back to the same page again and again. So we want to actually navigate from home to block, so I will select the block page, which you can see the name over here, the block. So I will select the block, and I will go back to the block page now. If I go back to the block page, for the home page right now, if I select for the home page, I will say home. Okay, I think that's it. You are now ready to navigate from one page to another. So I will go to the home and make a full page presentation, and I'm gonna first look at this. You can see the view of the website, and I will click on the block. If I click on the block now, it is taking us to the block page. So this is a really simple thing you can do, and you can actually earn money from designing wireframes. So I earned some bucks into Fiverr by doing this, but you can also do this for yourself and for your own project. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe, and also if you like this course, please give me feedback honestly, so that I can help you guys with more tutorials. See you into another course.